Alright guys, welcome back, and in today's video we'll be talking about song selection. So how important song selection is, and why is it important that you select the right track after one after the other. It's not just about selecting any random track which is in the same BPM or same key. It's also about maintaining the vibe of the song, or like maintaining the same flow throughout. It can't be like I'll show you an example and we'll discuss why it can't really be working and why some songs are working. And I'll be giving you a very short example because again, this is a very short tutorial videos. And if you want to learn how to DJ, you can obviously join our classes from anytime, anywhere, from anywhere. Okay, did that make sense? Okay, I'm not sure. Anyways, let's just get started. So yeah, this is the first song called Pungi, which is a very old song which you all have heard of. Pretty nice Desi song, very nice danceable vibe. And we also have set some cue marks from where we want the transition to start from. So I'm going to forward. So I'm sure everyone knows this song, so I'm not going to be playing the whole song. I'm just going to be playing the main parts of it. And now this is where the chorus was playing, and now the instrumental part of the song will come. So this is a very good point where we can start the next song. And I have a couple of songs in my playlist right now. Or you're obviously not seeing my playlist, but I have a next song which would in my playlist is called in the similar tempo, which is Char Bottle Vodka. And if you see this, it's very loud, my bad. Yeah, and if you see, this is not in the same vibe as you see, it's not in the same vibe. This is like a very nice Desi vibe, and this is like a very electronic club vibe. And this is like a very nice Pungi, is like a very nice Desi song. And even if I select another song which is similar, this is also very nice Desi sound. And if I play you this song now, a little bit from the chorus. They are almost similar sounding Desi vibe, but still it will not really gel well because of the intro as well. This doesn't really have an intro. So we'll check this one out as well as another with Char Bottle Vodka, another song, if it gels well. So let's presume this is where we're playing. From 1 minute and a half we played. I mean, it's good, but it's not good, but it's not really going well. I mean, the song is good. Tu Mere Agal Bagal is a very nice song to go with, but the intro is not really that great, and the intro starts with a vocal, which makes us to mix a little bit quite difficult, and you'll have to get a little creative. And there are a lot of ways you can mix this in, but I'm not going to be talking about that. There's more about selecting the right song which goes. And let's see if there is compared to this song and this sound is very mellow in the start, like very, very mellow. This is not really going. So let's check with Char Bottle Vodka if this will work. I'm going to play this again. I've also put an endpoint for the loop just in case. We did the transition, but we went from very Desi vibe into a very clubbish electronic dance music vibe. We don't really want to do that. I'll give you another example before I select the right track and show you. This is again, I'm pretty sure even we all heard. Again, this is also very electronic. And this, if you see, this is a very nice song though, but it has a very mellow vibe, or like very dark vibe, or how can I put this? Not a Desi vibe like this one. This is very bright, Pungi is like very bright to listen to. This is not bright. It's like a very electronic, or like some you might call it as a house or either techno vibe, but it's not techno. It's just very dark. So we are not going to be choosing that as well, because we obviously know it's not going to work out. And let's go with maybe Gangster Baby and see. They are in sim key though. If you see, this is in C minor and G minor, they are in relative keys. But still, it doesn't really feel like it'll go with this song. So the only option right now we can go with is the song. It's called Sarika Fall, and it's starting from here. Let's put a cue marker. Yeah. Alright, so let's do this again. So, my bad, okay. Let's do this again. Little bit in the behind and... Okay, we need to set the tempo also before you start. So it's 123, 123. Headphones on. And click. That's it. And there. It's still in the same vibe, right? It doesn't deviate a lot from the vibe this song had. It has a very desi vibe, and this also gives a very nice desi vibe. And how I mixed it, it's very simple. I mean, you'll have to join a class to know how exactly and how much amount to use, the EQs and everything. But yeah, the most importantly, now we saw why it is important that we select the right song which goes with this song, that is Pungi. And then again, the whole cycle continues again. We have Sarika Fall, then you have to select another good song which goes with it. And you have to sit and make a playlist which goes with all these songs. I mean, which are relative to each other and which will sound good. So that makes your life easier when you're playing live. You can just select left, right, left, right. You don't have to constantly be listening to the song and figure out if it works or not. So there's a lot of practice which goes in. So make sure you put in that practice time and you'll be there. And that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something. And if you have any questions or doubts, you can comment down below. And obviously make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you until next time, boys and girls. Happy DJing.